Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube the easiest way. I guarantee that you'll be able to solve this puzzle in under 1 hour. This will be an in-depth tutorial on how to solve this, so I will be making this video into 3 sections. All of the links that you will need will be in the description. So let's start off this tutorial by mixing up the Rubik's Cube. This should be good. We're going to be starting on the white side since this is the easiest to talk about. And it's also a good reference point for us both to share. So, what we first want to do is make a line here and a line here, making a cross. But this cross has to be white on the top, but also share this side color as the same in this middle. So, we can take any edge piece. An edge piece is this piece right here. It will have white and another color. So, let's take this one for example. We move this to the green side since it has a green edge piece. It is now in the right position. The only problem is we need the white side to be on the top. We will now begin our first algorithm. You want to move your front face this way, leaving it on the edge. Spin your top piece up and across. These have now switched positions. I'll be leaving all of these algorithms in the description box. The next one is a white and orange piece. Let's take this to the orange side and take it to the top. Once again, it is in the wrong spot. So move it to the left, up here, like so. It is now switched positions. An algorithm is basically a code that basically will solve your Rubik's Cube. So this is the top face, front face, right face, left face, and bottom face. There's also a back face, but I will never be using this in this tutorial. So there's also up and up inverted. If there is no inverted symbol, which is basically just an apostrophe, that means clockwise. But if there is an apostrophe, that means counterclockwise. This will help you out when you're reading the algorithms below. The next step is to finish off this cross. So we have a blue cross right here that's already matched on the same side and a white piece. We will move this to the top. We did not need to use an algorithm because it is already in the right position. The next piece is this one. It's going to be a red and white piece. We now have found it on the bottom, so take it underneath, spin it up, but once again it is in the wrong position, so we have to must this way, this way, this way, and this way. We have now solved the first cross. If you have gotten this far, then you'll be able to solve the rest because this is the hardest section to do. It involves the most thinking. The rest of it is just the same every other time. Now we must fill in these corner pieces. But these corner pieces must be white on the top, match the center on each one of the sides, because we want to solve this first layer while solving the top section. So we can take any white piece that's in the corner for this. Let's take this one. It is white, red, and green. We must take this underneath that section. White, red, green. Our next algorithm will be beginning to take place. You will turn this face down, move this bottom this way, this, and this. So that's right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. That piece has now made it to the top, and it is in the right positioning. Let's take the next piece, green, orange, white. Take it to the green, orange, white section, and do the same algorithm again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, 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 right inverted, down inverted, right, down. It has now solved this piece. We are almost done the first layer, but we have to finish off the rest of the pieces. White, red, and blue. We are underneath that section. White, red, and blue. We do the same exact thing again. This piece has now made it in, and we have almost solved the whole layer. The last piece is this piece. It's going to be the same thing again. Also, just to let you know, my white pieces coincidentally have been on the front facing me, right here. So I'm just letting you know that they could be anywhere. They could be over here, over here, over here. It's going to be the same thing every time. You just have to make sure this corner piece is underneath this one where you want to switch it out, and just use this algorithm and it will put it there. So again, same thing. We have now finished the top layer and this whole first layer here. Now what you want to do is flip it over, put this white face down, and come back and watch my second video.